Here's my quick review of the Tevii D720 HD60 video recorder. This is a nice little product, has HDMI in and out. It'll also capture composite if you're into it with a dongle. The device is really well made. It feels like metal, but it's a plastic resin. It has the HDMI input and the pass-through. It has both USB and an SD card slots, and you can select in the menu which one you want to use. It has an audio-visual input, so we'll take composite. And it also has this combined earphone and microphone input. This is for voiceover. We use it with an XLR connector and an adapter to be able to feed a line level into this. And then you can adjust the level here on the input. There is one thing about that input. You need a special cable, which I've specified for you in the text below. It's an OMTP connection, which is not standard. It has the ground and the mic reversed, but you can get this cable and it works fine. It's really easy to use. You just plug it in, hit the record button, and you see the time ticking here. The display is really nice. The unit has a built-in battery, so it keeps the time accurate when you unplug it and pack this thing up. So you can easily, and it also, because it has the built-in battery, the clock will stay accurate and it will name the files with the time, which is a really nice feature. So we'll stop that. Here's a look at the menu. Select the language. You can set the time. You can see if you want a time watermark on your video. You set the display quality. High, medium, low at 1080p, then 720 and 480. All of these are 60 frames a second. It's a variable bitrate compression, so depending on the content will decide how large the file will be. You can set the source to AV or HDMI, and then the USB storage mode. USB storage mode saves the files on the USB drive plugged in. PC storage mode allows you to access this device, whatever the storage is, via your PC to copy the files if you want to do it that way. And the PC streaming mode allows this device to be a capture box to send its signal to XSplit or some other streaming software. When you click on it, it goes to this icon. So unfortunately, when you're streaming, you don't get to see what the input is on the monitor here, which is a bit of a drag, but you can obviously see it on the PC. You set the storage device here, USB or SD card. You can schedule a single recording, weekly, daily, just one recording time, start and stop. Reset. You can format the drive. You can upgrade the firmware, and it tells you what the firmware is. There's a mode button here which allows you to access and view your recordings. You press it once and you get this icon and you can shoot still frames. Snapping still frames. Or you click it again and you can now view recordings. And press here and we're playing one of the recordings. You can skip forward and back. So overall, I'm very impressed with this device. It's definitely something that I will be taking with me in my toolkit. You can use this for presentation recording, you can use this as an ISO-cam recording on a camera, anywhere where you need to get a quick setup and take a recording of the signal. Say you want to monitor a PC or an experiment running on a device. I have run this continuously for over 24 hours and it saves the files without a problem. Doesn't get hot or anything like that. So we really like this product. I'm going to pick up 10 or 20 of these. Having a battery backup also makes it ideal for on-site location. It displays the battery here. You get a couple of hours out of it easily. and even if someone pulls the power going to it, it automatically switches to the battery. So this is a really nice device, and I'll be using it all the time.